stretch you're probably getting on the inner right thigh. Inhale. And exhale, swing the right leg back, set the knee down, and we'll switch sides. Left leg goes out to the side, bring the thigh bone in, knee points back, and then return to starting here, and then we'll take those hip circles. So moving mindfully, staying focused, and also moving with ease. Sometimes we think we have to do these really hard things to get benefits, switch directions, but in fact, sometimes all we need is some mindful movement. Okay, we're straightening out the left leg. Sole of the foot comes down. Inhale, belly drops, gaze is up. Exhale, around the spine, belly pulls in. Inhale, so extend through the spine. And exhale. Last one, inhale. And exhale. Find that neutral spine, swing your left leg back, set the knee down. We'll walk the hands out just a little bit, curl your toes under, hover the knees here, and then slowly we'll move back into pedaling out our feet here in a downward facing dog. So walking our dog out a little bit, stretching the calves. And you can hold one heel down a little bit longer.